This part, I will replace the shifter. So this is the original one. This is the used one. We buy it, so we need to replace it. So when you replace the shifter, the tools you need it. So it's socket 8 milli, and with the ratch. So there is 4 screws, 2 in the front and 2 in the back side. And when you lose it, you can remove the shifter very free. It's free. It's not hard job. It's very easy job. Like now, I'm lose it already. So just I will remove the screw, the 4 screw, and the shifter will be free. So yeah, this is the third one, and that's the fourth. So now just I want to show you the original one, how it respond on the shifter itself. Look, all the sign for the transmission park are in. There is no red, no nothing. This is the original one. And if you look for the Chrysler, there is surface shifter. So now we turn the ignition off and we move the shifter. So there is connector. Just push the lock and push the tab down and lose the connector. So now the shifter is free. So we put it in a safe place, and we bring the used one. I buy it. So when we install it in the same place, so the connector, we push the connector and we lock it, lock the tab. So after that, we put it in the place. So this is the 4th screw for the shifter. I will show you now, because I took it from the old one. So just put it in the shifter. That's make the job for you is very easy when you tied it. Yeah, when you put it in the shifter, we believe not lose it and fall down. So now with the shifter in itself, but before you tied it, just like you can test the shifter. Now look for we turn the ignition on, and now the ignition on. So if you look the shifter, see, look, the park now turn red. So that's mean we solved the problem, because the problem was the shifter like itself inside the LED light. So, and this is the cover, you can't put it on when you done from everything. So we solved this problem, and please don't forget subscribe my channel, and I will post so many useful video to help the people. Thank you.